Hello, well, it's Hong Kong Speech Festival time again, but this time it is a little different. Whether you are going to recite a poem or read out loud from a book, it has to be done on video. And I am sure that you would love to perform your poem or piece in your best BBC English and with confidence and make it really interesting to your audience, and that's the judges. Well, perhaps I can help with you on that. Why don't you let me record your poem or prose in beautiful BBC English and with excellent intonation, expression, tone, and phrasing. And you can hear an example. If you would like a quotation for my service, just write to the email address that you see here. Okay, I hope to hear from you. Goodbye for now. Hello, well, here is a recording of Montague Michael by Anon. Montague Michael, you're much too fat, you wicked old, wily old, well-fed cat. All night you sleep on a cushion of silk, and twice a day I bring you milk. And once in a while, when you catch a mouse, you're the proudest person in all the house. But, spoilt as you are, I tell you, sir, this dolly is mine, and you can't have her. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that. I just wanted to demonstrate how you could use good intonation and expression when speaking the words of the poem, and use your facial expressions and your head movements to make the poem much more interesting to the judges.